Hello there, hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to talk about the ChatGPT from a beginner's level. Before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. GPT, short for Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a type of language model developed by openAI that is designed to generate human-like text. It is trained on a large dataset of human-generated text, and is able to generate coherently formatted text that resembles human writing in a variety of different styles and formats. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT model that is specifically designed for use in chat applications, such as messaging apps or online chat rooms. It is trained to generate responses to user input in real time, and can be used to provide automated responses to common questions or to engage in conversation with users based on their input. Some of the uses of ChatGPT include providing automated responses to common questions or queries, such as providing information about a product or service, or answering frequently asked questions. The models can be used to engage in conversation with users, providing responses that are tailored to the user's input. This can be useful in customer service chatbots, where the chatbot can provide personalized support to users. Content generation for chat applications, such as messaging apps or online chat rooms. This can be used to provide engaging and interesting conversation prompts or to generate responses to user input in real time. Provision of personalized recommendations to users based on their interests and preferences. For example, a chatbot could recommend products or services to a user based on their past purchase history. You are probably wondering whether ChatGPT is a search engine. No, it isn't. This is because ChatGPT has no access to the internet, whereas a search engine is a software application that is designed to search the internet for specific information, such as web pages, images, or videos. Common examples include Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Search engines use algorithms to crawl the internet, index web pages, and return relevant results in response to user queries. ChatGPT is not intended, therefore, to replace the traditional search engines such as Google. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video if you like the content.